Welcome to Lit Capital. Today we're going to discuss how to get started with a trading account in just under 5 minutes. So, to get started, all you need to do, head over to our website, litcapital.co.uk, scroll down until you see Naga, our trusted trading broker. Click on the image or the text beneath, and it will take you over to your page on Naga to get started. Now, we've got some fake details that we've typed in here. Very simply, what's important to see here is that you can choose either Naga Markets or Naga Global. Now, if you choose Naga Markets, it's going to show you that your maximum leverage is 1 to 30, okay? But if you stay with Naga Global, you'll have a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000. Once you've signed up, it will enable you to show, okay, if we type in a number here, 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. Once we press sign up, it will take us over to this page, which will ask us if we want to open up a demo account or a live account. Now, for this video, to show you the full advantages of Naga, I've opened up a live account, which we already have over here. And we've already added to our profile. So we've made a cool background cover. We've put our image on for our logo. And we've also, of course, wrote a brief description about us. Okay, now the reason why we highly recommend you to use Naga is because they're very user friendly and they will enable you to network with other traders. But not only that, they have very cool features that can also help you in the trading world as well. So if we start by going over to the feed, what we're going to see here is different news articles that will be released by Naga on a daily basis that can give us an insight not only to the Forex world, but to the stocks markets and also the cryptocurrency space. Okay, they enable you to have a cryptocurrency wallet. So if we head over to the crypto wallet, you can actually purchase Bitcoin Cash, Binance, Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and Naga coin combined with Ripple. So they will enable you to not only buy these coins, but hold them in your own wallet and also trade them on their Bitcoin exchange platform. Going back over to the feed, just by looking at the features, we can see on the right hand side they have a leaderboard of traders, and if we just click on the top person, for example today, it says he has a 100% win ratio, which is of course based on today's results, and you can see what results he's actually been, you can see how he's got on with his results. So if you click on stats, we're going to head over and see from the 19th of May the success he's had with whatever trades it is. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll see he has total copiers of 13, which means he has 13 people that have pressed this button. Now, the reason why we're telling you guys about Naga and how great they are is because they're going to enable you, if you're a trader who's aspiring to not only earn an income, but you're learning at the same time and you're aspiring to building your account, then you can actually copy traders that have a credible track history, which can enable you to learn through your mentorship program at litcapital.co.uk, but also build your account portfolio as well. So aside from that, they can show you the profit and the losses combined, of course, with how much funds he's been managing from an auto copying perspective. And we can also see what actual trades he's been placing, what's the majority of his frequently placed trades. We can see we've got gold against the dollar, we've got EU, we've got US 30, of course, with oil. And again, if we scroll down the additional info, we can see his maximum drawdown in a month, 3 months, over a year, and how long he averages out on holding his trades. Now, we can see that he opened up his account very recently. So this chap here doesn't really have much history, but if we click onto trades, we can also see how much he's depositing per trade based on how much he's actually earning as well. So it's very cool to show you guys a very in-depth bias of each trader in particular. And of course, depending on who you like, what pairs you like to trade, you can of course follow whoever tickles your fancy. Moving over to the markets, if we have a look at this, it's going to show us, of course, different markets we're able to get involved on. And it's really cool because we can either place a trade through Naga's markets online, which is on this website, or of course we can actually have our MT4 attached to our account. So let's just show you how we actually get access to our MT4 account. If we click on our profile photo and we go down to money management, if we go to trading accounts, Now what you're going to see is here the hashtag number, which says 5126440. This is going to be our user ID on our MT4. If we click on this action button here and press show password, it's going to enable us to see our password. Okay, we're going to be able to copy the password and of course paste to our MT4 account. For the purpose of this video, I won't show you the password because we're probably going to put some funds into this account and document our journey along the way. Each trade you place, you're going to be able to monitor your own performance. So when I click onto my trades, of course I don't have any trades, so my page is going to be blank. But if we go back and let's check out the academy to see, of course, what they offer inside of here. Now for the auto copying, we can see that there's a tutorial video here that's going to help us get started. And also what's going to be important if you're new to Naga, if you're new to understanding the trading world, of course, they've got videos very brief that can help you open up your account. It can help you transfer funds across. Anything you need that's regarding Naga, they've got tutorial videos to help you guys understand. And last but not least, they have a messenger system. Okay, you can connect with us, you can message us, and we can message you. So it's really a system that can enable people, okay, to not only communicate, but grow your network of traders, grow your network of friends that you have within a space that's really going to help you guys grow and build on your account. Now, the last feature is really what we call saving the best to last. Providing you click on the link at the bottom of this description, or you click on the Naga icon on our website, what you should be able to see once you've made an account and your account's been approved is this Mastercard and IBAN at the bottom. Now this section is going to enable you to receive a Mastercard free of charge, which will be correlated to your trading account. So what that means, you can now withdraw every single penny to your Naga card. So there will be no more 3 to 5 day frustrated waiting for withdrawal. You can get the funds directly to your card within hours. So with that being said, that's a quick video on how to get started with Naga. Be sure to head over to our website, litcapital.co.uk. Remember guys, every day is money day.